Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. As I'm sure you guys can see by the title, today I am unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I just got it in the mail like an hour and a half ago, and I have been dying to open it, but I do work from home, and so I was on the clock, and I really wanted to take my time and show you guys the unboxing as well as take my time setting it up. So I have been holding off for the last hour and a half. So I have it here. I have not opened it. It is still in the plastic packaging. I've been waiting to share with you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video. I'm just dying to open this box because I want to see what the gold looks like in real life. Also, if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, then follow me there. My username is twoafterido on Instagram as well, and I did post on my stories at around 10:30 when I actually got this. If you want to know things earlier, then you can follow me on Instagram. All right, let's go ahead and get unboxing. Okay guys, here it is out of the box. So this is what the gold color looks like on the back, and then the side is that more metallic shiny gold. It's a little bit more of like a yellow gold, and then the back is a little bit more muted. And then here is the screen. I haven't put my fingerprints on it yet, so it's obviously immaculate looking, and you can see my camera and the reflection, but finally opened it up. The other stuff that comes in the box is this charging cable and then a little booklet, but that is it. There is no charging brick that comes with this phone. You do need a charging brick that is compatible with USB-C. I think that this is honestly way less packaging than before. This box is so slim, especially for the size of phone that I got. Anyways, I am not a techie in any way. I just wanted to film my unboxing because I am so excited. After ordering this iPhone, I got a little bit more inspired to start designing cases. If you guys don't know, I have a store on Etsy, and I recently just designed some iPhone cases. And so I have this case on the way. If you guys are interested in purchasing this case, then the link to my Etsy store is down in the description bar below. I am going to be filming another video with my iPhone and how I customize my home screen, and hopefully by then I will have my case with me so you guys can see it in that video if you want to see what it looks like on the phone prior to ordering, or what it looks like on the gold iPhone prior to ordering. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and just show you the steps for how to transfer everything from an Android phone over to an iPhone, because like I said, the last time I had an iPhone was in 2009. I honestly don't even know if I have Apple ID, so I may have to set that up, and then I'm gonna let the transfer begin. Okay, so this is finally going. It says the estimated time for this is, oh, it keeps going up. Okay, it originally said 2 hours and something, but now it's at 3 hours and 23 minutes. I don't know, it keeps going up, but basically the transfer is happening from this phone over to this phone. And again, it's just the Move to iOS app that you need to download on your Android phone, and then you'll get a PIN number from your iPhone that you enter into the Android phone, and that way it knows that that is the phone you want everything transferred from. So I will be back in a little bit. I need to get back to work, but I'm going to film the rest of this video and my thoughts on the transfer process. We're going to see actually how long it takes. Currently on this phone it is 12:51 p.m. and I will be back when the transfer is done. Okay guys, I am back. I have been working for a few hours now, and guess what happened? About an hour into the transfer process, something popped up on the screen that said, "Connection lost." I was so irritated. So apparently when the transfer process happens from the Android phone to the iPhone, there is like a connection between the two phones. I don't know if it's over Wi-Fi, which I think it is. For whatever reason, the connection was lost and the transfer process stopped, and it wasn't even like half the stuff transferred onto my phone. It was just nothing. So I obviously tried it again. I tried it a few times. It kept giving me a PIN to reconnect the two phones together, but every time I tried it, it just said connection failed or unable to establish connection. So eventually I gave up. I am slightly irritated, but honestly, because I have so many apps on my Android and I do need to do like a good cleaning of all those apps, because I think a bunch of them I don't use anyways, I am thinking that I'm just gonna sit down and just reinstall the apps that I actually use and keep my home screen fairly nice and clean. The only other thing are like my videos and photos that are on my Android. Luckily, all of it gets backed up onto Google Photos, so as long as I can download the Google Photos app on my iPhone, I guess it should be okay. So yeah, it's not the end of the world. It's just a little bit disappointing because they have everything set up so nicely with the Move iOS app, and it just didn't work. And so yeah, that is my thoughts on the transfer process. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and let you guys know what happened and pretty much say that is it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned something. The last thing that I wanted to do was just compare the iPhone 12 Pro Max size to the iPhone 11 Pro Max size. My husband has the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so I'm just going to insert a clip right now of the two phones on top of each other, and you can see that there is honestly such a minimal size difference. If you put the iPhone 11 Pro Max right on top of it, it's honestly like I would say less than 1/4 of an inch difference in height, and in width you can see that they're exactly the same in width. Also, the last thing I wanted to do was compare the size of this iPhone to something that probably the majority of you already have in your home, because I know it's hard to truly imagine like how big this phone is. Everyone's hands are a different size. Just like me holding it like this, it would be really hard for you guys to tell. So I thought I would compare it to a dish sponge. I'm pretty sure the majority of you have a sponge like this one. It's just a regular dish sponge in your house. So I wanted to show you the size comparison to this in case you are wondering truly how big it is. I know with COVID, a lot of people can't go into the Apple store right now to physically hold the phone, so I hope this helps you guys. But here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and here is the dish sponge. So if I were to put it directly behind, I would say in width, they're literally the same width, I would say. In height, I would say it's about an inch taller than a dish sponge, if that makes sense. So hopefully this helps you guys. I'm sure a bunch of you are now going to go and hold a dish sponge in your hand. I hope that helped you guys. That's all for my unboxing video today. I am going to be uploading another video on customizing my home screen. I've seen quite a few tutorials on YouTube for making custom app icons, and I really want to try it. I think it would be really fun. So I am going to upload that video. I'm thinking of using Canva to create the app icon shortcuts. These are just a few examples here. I will will pop them up on the screen. I also think I might get you guys to vote on which theme you want me to do for my iPhone home screen. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm probably gonna post that poll on my stories. So go ahead and follow me there. This is my username or Instagram handle if you guys want to search me up on there. But yeah, apart from that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys also got the iPhone 12 Pro Max today, comment down below what color you got, and please don't forget to like this video if you guys learned something, and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell notification if you guys want to see more videos like this. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!